Tired of Roblox crashing with that frustrating unrecoverable error message? Let's fix it fast. First, the simplest solution: restart Roblox. Close the entire Roblox application completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's fully shut down, then relaunch Roblox and try to play again. Sometimes a fresh start is all it takes. If restarting didn't work, let's check for Roblox updates. Roblox automatically updates, but sometimes there can be a hiccup. A good way to force a check is to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox player. Go to your computer's settings, find apps or programs and features, locate Roblox, and uninstall it. After uninstalling, head over to the official Roblox website, navigate to any game, and click the play button. This will prompt you to download and install the latest version of the Roblox player, which can resolve many internal errors. Next, we'll clear Roblox's cache. This involves deleting temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Open your File Explorer and type %app.a% into the address bar. Press enter in the roaming folder. Find the Roblox folder and delete everything inside it. Don't worry, this won't delete your games or progress. With the cache cleared, reinstall Roblox again from the official website. This ensures you have a clean installation with no corrupted temporary files. Once installed, try launching Roblox and a game once more. Still encountering the error? Let's look at your computer's drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a very common culprit. Search for your graphics card manufacturer like Nvidia, AMD, or Intel and visit their website. Download and install the latest drivers specifically for your graphics card model. After updating your drivers, it's crucial to restart your computer. This allows the new drivers to take effect properly. Once your PC has restarted, try running Roblox again. Finally, consider if other background applications are interfering. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, such as web browsers with many tabs open, or other game launchers. Then, attempt to launch Roblox. If these steps haven't resolved the unrecoverable error, it might indicate a more specific system issue, and seeking help from Roblox support or your computer manufacturer might be necessary.